Okay, Sunday chicharrones, step one. We had this bad boy pork belly in the fridge overnight with some baking soda on it, so we're gonna cut it up now. Whoops, sorry. And go ahead and, you know what, I wish this thing could flip. Throw it in the wok, but I'll keep you posted. Okay, now that we've gotten it out of the fridge, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut the pork belly up into inch pieces. You really want them like maybe half an inch thick at the max. So this piece right here is it's about an inch, but I'm gonna live with it. This part here I'm gonna trim a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and dice it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and then we're gonna throw it in the wok, cover the meat up just enough with water. We're gonna let it render for a couple hours here, but we'll get to that after I cut this up. So let me go ahead and cut this up and we'll be back on it. All right, as you can see behind me, we're getting down to the point where we're getting close. All the water's about simmered out and the fat's rendered. We're very close to the point of frying these things up. So it's been a while. It's been about 3.5 hours. Probably a little bit too long. I had the heat a little bit too low, but first go around. I'm gonna forgive myself, but now I know for next time. So I'm gonna get them fried up here in a few minutes and we'll see how they come out. Okay, so as you can probably hear, we got some popping going on. We're at the fry stage now. All our fat is rendered. It's nothing, there's no water left in the bottom, and we're frying these things in their own lard. So we're gonna give them about 8 to 10 minutes, juggle them around a little bit, and hopefully we have some delicious eats here. So first go around, I'm not really trusting my technique, but I'm following the recipe I found online, so we're gonna see how it turns out. So looking forward to it. All right, so these things just came out of the pan. Had some issues. It stuck a lot, and I don't know why, but you know, first time, I can't complain. They taste really good. So a couple things learned from last time. For next time, it's really messy. Do it outside on a turkey fryer in a pan. It's splashed everywhere, even with a splash guard. But I think overall it was a good learning experience, and they taste great. So how can I complain? You know what they say, life is good.